Alright, so I'm going to be demonstrating a few web applications I've made using Go, which is Google's fancy new open source programming language. It's Go strongly typed. It's described as having a feel somewhere between C and C++. It has some pretty fancy features. It compiles ridiculously fast. And also is a concurrent language. So you can program for running two threads, multiple threads, at the same time at the language level. It also has garbage collection, which we know is a very pleasant, nice thing in Java. With that out of the way, let's just get straight into my environment. I'm using Atom as my text editor, and that's pretty much it. Besides downloading and installing the Go language, all you need is a text editor, and you're ready to start making your Go files and running your web applications. So the Go file I have up here right now is the simplest server you can get. All it's going to do is whenever I run it and compile it, it's going to start a server on port 8080 and print hello world to the browser. So if you just go to my command shell here, type the command go, run, and then your Go file name, hit enter, accept this prompt here. It's going to access my internet. So now we have our server running. So if we go over to my browser, localhost 8080, I'll just refresh this. I'll go back and refresh this. Yeah. Forward. And boom. There it is. So that's that. I would show you a concurrent application that I tried to make using a tutorial, but that was a little too complicated for me. I never got it working. So instead, we're going to do what I refer to as, I guess, a poor man's database, where instead of actually using SQL in a legitimate database, we're just going to be writing files to our machine, editing them, and reading them. So the way this works is it accepts your URL, and then if it can't find a file at the end of your URL that you're sending, it'll create it, and then it'll allow you to change the text inside the file, save it, and re-edit it. So I already have two text files here, post and test. I just used to test it out, but we can get this running real quick. Go into our console, getting out of this, go into our file app, and then go run, what did I call this? File.go. Accept this again. So now this file.go is compiled and running on the server. So now if we go to our localhost and a different URL over here, which is already up, you can see right now it's reading the file, but if we want to make a new file, do a little bit of magic here, or if we want to call it, so I'll just call it a demonstration once it comes back up. Recording this from the VM's a little slow. So we're just doing this u/demo. It'll take us to edit demo first, so we can actually edit it. Load class. And we can save that. It'll display the file name and the text that's in the file here. So if we go back to our text editor, hopefully it's updated and we can see it. It takes a while to load because it's a bit intensive. There we go, demo.text, which has hello class written into it. So yeah, a lot of the fancier stuff you can do with the language is a little bit too over my head. A lot of the problems I ran into were basically just the name of the language is Go. If you ever try Googling Go, you can pretty much get anything in the world. It took me a while to realize that I should probably be searching for Golang whenever I want to troubleshoot anything. But besides that, I mean, it is a new language, so trying to get the basics down took a little while, and those were the main problems. Whenever developers would use this, if you remember looking at the website that Dr. Flynn posted, Go's one of the newer languages, and it's on the rise. Apparently, there's a lot of demand for Go developers because it has all the nice features like concurrency or whatever. So we'll see how popular it gets in the next couple of years, but who knows? Maybe a few years from now, you'll see job postings for Go developers. With that, thanks for watching.